I don't condone driving things without safety measures, but there's something in here that makes an alarm go off at 10 miles an hour if you don't plug in the seatbelt. And there are times where I'm working on my property where I'm getting in and out of something all the time, and I don't want to have to take a seatbelt off and on and on and off and whatever. So I'm going to take this apart, and I don't know if you guys can see in here, but there is it's Torx with a safety screw. So luckily I have, since I'm a computer nerd, I have the bits for that. Can you kind of see what I'm doing here? I'm gonna just take this belt, this cover off. I'm gonna be careful not to lose these screws. Alright, what do we got? Aha, see? I knew it. You guys see that switch? So the seat belt hits that. Alright, cool. I'm glad I didn't have to cut anything up. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to take, it looks like you can just pull it apart. So I'm going to try that, and then I'm just going to wrap some electrical tape around it. So it'll be nice and easy. Alright, so here is the belt cover, and there's these two little tabs, little posts there, and then the switch. I don't know if you can see that, but there's little holes, so they're alignment holes. So I'm gonna have to be careful. I'm gonna have to make like a little skinny strip of tape or something, because you want to be able to hit those holes still. So let's get some tape. Okay, so you can see I just wrapped a skinny little piece of electrical tape on there, and I think that's all we'll need. So let me put it back together here. Okay, so I put the tape around it, and then the one hole was kind of covered up, so I used this little pick to poke a hole through the tape. And yeah, so we just needed that number 10. So now when we turn this thing on, it should act like the seatbelt's already plugged in. Seatbelt light went out. Yeah, so we're good. Alright, cool. So now I can jump in and out of this thing and not have to worry about a stupid seatbelt. Well, you know what? It's not. Seatbelts aren't stupid. It's good to be safe. So, but that's how to defeat the safety switch. Do so at your own risk. I don't recommend doing this unless you're doing something like I am, where you're jumping in and out, checking, a fence line or your animals or something like that. So that's how to defeat that. So quick one for you. Thanks for watching.